Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today I am going to give you guys a Dollar Tree haul. It's really quick. I didn't buy a lot, but I hadn't been to Dollar Tree in a long while, so I thought I would give you guys some ideas of what Dollar Tree has to offer at the moment, crafty wise. So the first thing is I got a placemat, which is very thin and is bendable. So I thought about using this, maybe cutting it down some and turning it into a journal or a drawing journal or of some sort. But I just really love the colors. I'm a big Blue Willow fan. If you guys know about plates and cups and things, those dishes are called Blue Willow. It's just blue and white dishes. So this made me think of that, and so I decided to go ahead and get that. So that's $1.25. The next thing I found was Crazy Loom Rainbow Blast, which is those rubber bands, and you can make bracelets and things out of them. I have never done this before, and since it was $1.25, I thought I'm gonna give it a go. So there is the rubber band bracelet maker. So there you go. Next one is made from Crafter Square. It's insert card set. So I didn't really know what this was. I was looking at this picture here, and so I was wondering if this was something that you cut out or something. So I'm going to open it up and see what this is, because, you know, for $1.25, I thought, well, if it's something I don't want, then it's not going to be that big of a deal. I haven't lost that much money. So there's a bunch of different cards with different textures. Like this has a like a canvas type texture to it, and same thing with this one, the red, but they're different thicknesses. This one's a little bit thicker than this red one. The gold pieces, they almost make me think of cardstock. Oh, are these cards? No, those aren't, but these are. So these open up and make a card. Same thing here. Okay, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 envelopes. So I don't know. I guess it's just something you can cut up and make into these pretty designs, I guess. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna figure it out. I guess that's what you're doing. If you have one of those Cricuts or one of those Cricut cutters or something, you can cut out these designs or cut them out yourself and then paste them onto the cards and make your own gift cards. Or I'm sorry, not gift cards, but like birthday cards or just any type of card to give someone. Okay, so that was interesting. That's not too bad, $1.25 for that. And I got some stickers, which I love. Hold on. I love this scene, and I can't remember if I've got this already. I don't think I do, but I thought that would be cool to put on a journal page. And this is also through Crafter Square. So I really like that. Those are stickers, $1.25. I found this very cool notebook by Jot. You get a pen with black ink included. So let's open it up. It's almost the size, a little bit smaller than like a checkbook size, if you still use checkbooks. And inside is line paper. It has a little bookmark to go with it. It's not bad. It's kind of plasticky, and I can tell it probably would rip pretty easy if you're not careful. The outside feels really good. Let's check out the pen. Does it write really good? Ooh, that's not even... Okay, here we go. So... Oh, that writes really well. So that's cool. Not bad. And it has a little pin holder. But it is, that's, like I said, this leather here and here and here is a little bit cheap. And I think you could easily rip it, honestly. So just be careful if you do decide to get one. But it was $1.25. So not a big deal. Here's the inside. You could possibly, if you wanted to make this permanent, just glue that in like you would any type of bookmaking, and then you've got yourself a little journal or whatever. $1.25. I saw these arrows and couldn't resist. This makes me think of my Crafty Aims workshop with all the different types of arrow stickers there. I love that. So that will probably go into a journal. It looks like they also stick up. There are those ones where you can, I don't know if you can see that, but you can fluff them up. So that's pretty cool. $1.25. I also found some stamps. I don't think I have these, and I love the llamas. So, and then there, I just now noticed there's an arrow on there too. I love it. Dream. I love llama. Find your way. Keep on dreaming. So, I like that a lot. And then, of course, I love cactuses and making crafts out of making cactuses with my crafting materials, like with clay, drawing them, whatever. $1.25. The retractable card holders, and I thought about doing something crafty with those, so that was $1.25, and you got 3. So that's pretty cool. And the last thing, you guys are gonna laugh at me because this is something that I did when I was a very small child, and I really hadn't seen it much until today. So this is a little paint with water book. They may have been around, I don't know, but of course that's not really something I go looking for. So maybe they have been around, I don't know. But I saw Mandalorian, and I also saw that it was the paint with water, and I thought, ooh, I cannot wait to try that. So that was $1.25. So I'm pretty excited about that one. I haven't really, I've only watched some of the episodes of Mandalorian, but not enough. But I still liked what I saw, and my husband likes it until they didn't do good things lately, but we'll see what they're doing with this next season. There's quite a few pages in here. That's pretty cool. I love that. So I thought I'd show you that. Here's all that I got. I'm gonna set it up so you can see. This under here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. And I love it. I love the collection that I got. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.